Hey, are you searching for good quality air fryer? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these air fryers. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which air fryer is the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. 13 functions: air fryer, pressure cooker, saute, slow cook, steam, warm, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, yogurt, sous vide, and bread proofing. The Duo Series best-selling pressure cooker and air fryer combo have a removable air fryer cover. Only multi-cooker featuring step-by-step cooking instructions on a huge LCD display. We considered all. During pressure cooking, an interior stainless steel cover cleans the air frying heating unit. Advanced steam release technology for the quietest steam release, and a steam release button on a huge LCD panel that says OK to open lid. With 95% less oil, the integrated air fryer lid gives deep fried crispiness and softness. You can make quick new favorites and delicious dinners with our free Instant Pot app. Number 2. Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer. Best countertop air fryer. Discovered, fast, healthy, and convenient, the Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer. Watch your food fry through a window. With 4 cooking settings: air fry chicken, fish, steak, and fries. Adjustable 200-400 AF temperature control simplifies perfection. One-touch cooking. Digital control lets you choose a preset, set time and temperature, and start air frying in seconds. It gets better. A built-in LED reminder alerts you when to shake your meal. Compact and family-sized, what more could you want? Cook comfort food and family meals on your countertop with the 8-quart basket. Turbo Fry Touch Easy View Air Fryer cooks and looks excellent. The matte black finish looks good on your countertop and stores well. Wet the exterior after cooking. Dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and attachments. Advanced safety technology makes CTL durable. Chefman's 1-year warranty provides trust. Number 3. Nuwave Brio 8QT Air Fryer. Need it hotter or cooked longer? Okay, instantly adjust. Cooking again is pointless. Brio's computerized controls are instantaneous. Fit a 5-pound chicken, fries, or wings. Brio's cool white display is easy to read. Superheated air cooks Brio's guilt-free fried food. Oily fats and calories are gone. Without defrosting, Brio air fries frozen favorites. Grill and air fry with the ultra non-stick air circulation riser. Multi-layer grilling is possible with the stainless steel reversible rack. All are dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. When your food is done, Brio stops cooking. While Brio works, unwind. Don't under or overcook again. Grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more are among Brio's 100 pre-programmed options. 50 recipe memory slots are also available. Flexibility and capacity are ideal. Fits active families. 5 DGF increments from 50 DGF to 400 DGF. Number 4. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. Precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for maximum versatility and cooking performance. Air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm in 118 watt appliance. This machine's inside height is around 3. Air fry your favorite foods guilt-free with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. Versus hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Air roast cooks 60% faster than a conventional oven. 60-second warm-up. Complete dinners in 20 minutes. 45% more cooking surface than the Cuisinart TOA 60 and TOA 65 pans. 13 inches pizza, 9 toast slices, or 6 chicken breasts. Flipping it up and away against your kitchen backsplash saves 50% room. Toast darkness selectors let you customize toast and bagels. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. Dehydrate, bake, roast, broil, rotisserie, and air fry. Incredibly crisp technology for a flawless golden finish and consistently crispy, tender results. Advanced technology forces airflow top-down. Perfectly suited for tumble frying and self-basting. The top heating elements fan ensures the best cooking and baking results. One-touch rotisserie chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more with 6 programmable options. Little to no heating up required. Minutes to go from frozen to golden. With the flexibility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare delectable meals. Include a stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, lift tool, 2 perforated cooking trays, a non-stick drip pan, plus these additional items. With a moist towel and dish soap, the oven door is simply removable and cleanable. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.